Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 200. 200 days of doing this, making these daily videos. 200 days in the books. I'm grateful that I've had the opportunity to make these videos every day. I'm grateful for the Remote Wellness Academy for giving me the inspiration to do the reps and to continue to make these videos every single day without fail. So I am on my way. I have a gut feeling that if I keep on keeping on, I keep making these videos, even if nobody watches them, people are going to trickle in, and it's going to have that compounded effect where my YouTube channel is going to take off. So I'm willing to invest the time. I'm willing to do whatever it takes. And yeah, so I'm glad you're here. If you're watching and listening to this, I'm grateful for you for being here. And so my day for day 200, it was a Saturday. Did exercise, did my Wellness Academy, did insurance, and had a coaching call with the legendary Jeffrey Combs. So that's it for day 200. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.